Right now, I'm going to talk to you about taking off hard to get modules. So sometimes the modules aren't easy to come off, and here's my method and of how to get these off. So what you want to do is make sure that both wings, or both clips here, are loose. So you want to press down firmly to get them off. Sometimes the module will come straight off. Other times I have found that you have to rock it upwards to get it off. Now to seat it back, you would basically do this. You would press down, make sure that the pins here are aligned. So to get it on, you would press firmly down on the sides. You hear that click, and there we go. It's on, it's seated. Everything should be good once we turn power back on. Okay, back to normal operating temperature.